We have with us Maharaji, and I would like to speak with him, and I would like to know about him, and I would like him to tell our audience about the ISKCON and what great things ISKCON has been doing for our Hindu people and for our Sanatan Dharma. Yes, Maharaji, can you please tell me about yourself and ISKCON?
Yeah, myself is Sham Prandas. I am from Karnataka. I have come here for Prayagraj to take darshan and take the holy bath. But the main purpose of coming here is to preach the Sanatan Dharma to all the people as a Guru Maharaj did. He spread the whole mission throughout the world. He started in 1965. It was named ISKCON, that is International Society for Krishna Consciousness, or in Hindi you can say Antarrashtriya Krishna Bhavit Sangh. So the main purpose of our ISKCON society is to make people know that what is the purpose of life and from where we have come, where we have to go, and what we have to achieve. Usually what people think is make money, build big houses, that is the success of life. But that is not the success of life. What the success of life is, what to achieve the love of God. What the human race is missing out. So reading Bhagavad Gita, understanding Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, through that we get to know the purpose of life and make our life successful.
Thank you, Maharaji. Maharaji, we know that right now in present scenario, ISKCON has been celebrated all across the world. And right now, we all have, I'm sure everybody might have come across the news which is happening in Bangladesh right now. Would you like to speak about it also here on our channel?
Yeah, ISKCON society is trying a lot to rescue all the devotees who are been taken away by the police from Bangladesh. We are trying our level best, and we have put an application for the politicians also, and they are taking the further steps to cover it up.
Don't you think it is a very wrong practice which has been happening in Bangladesh against the Hindus and against the people who are there at ISKCON and who are following ISKCON right now?
Yeah, obviously they are in much trouble. We are praying for them, and we in every center we are making a procession. Through that we can make the politics, like the government, know about what actually is happening in Bangladesh. So the whole effort is going through all the ISKCON centers to relieve all the people who are being tortured in Bangladesh, so that they can get free from that position.
Thank you so much, Maharaji. And as I came here, I myself inside me, I felt a divine bliss being here in the ISKCON Pandal. So how greatly this Pandal has been organized, and the people, they are having surreal experiences by seeing all this exhibition which is beautifully arranged. So would you like to tell about the Mahaprasad also happening here by the Adani Group?
Yeah, the Adani Group has sponsored a lot and helped a lot for ISKCON society. Like we are distributing full 1 month for all the devotees, all the pilgrims, from morning till night. Anybody can have the full prasadam. You can even taste the prasadam, how like gorgeous the prasadam is, and get the bliss. Like all the prasadam are being made by the devotees, are being offered to the Lord, and have the sacred taste.
I am witnessing, and we are also witnessing the people who are coming not only from India but across the globe, and they are searching about Sanatan Dharma and then following the mark of Sanatan Dharma. What would you like to say about it also?
Yeah, obviously ISKCON is not only preaching in India but throughout the world. So throughout the world, the importance of Kumbh Mela is being told to all the. Even I was not knowing the more importance, but after coming to ISKCON, I got to know the importance of human life. So I felt like coming. So similarly, all the devotees throughout the world, they got to know all the information through ISKCON and other societies. So all are coming for the Kumbh Mela Amrit Snan.
Last question, if I'll not take much of your time, but I'll also like to know how you are finding the organization, the government. They have organized this Mahakumbh Mela on such a huge level. So how well it is organized? What would you like to say about it, and let our audience know about the organization here in Kumbh Mela?
Regarding the organization, I'm not in much touch with that. But looking at here, like the government has been giving much support for us. We can see throughout, like even if you go for Amrit Snan also, like in the Kumbh Mela Snan, even the police are cooperating with us so nicely, because usually if you go to take Amrit Snan, they boatmen, they used to charge 2,000, but for the newcomer they're charging 6,000. But suddenly police cop came to me and asked me, how much have you paid? Then I said 6,000 rupees. The cop called us back and he rearranged a boat and made it for 2,000. So through the Prashasan, we can see that they're cooperating very nicely. The government has planned perfectly so that all the pilgrims are being safe and not paying much for simple things.
So we can say this Kumbh Mela has been organized beautifully by the government and people are experiencing this divine bliss and this Kumbh Mela at ease, and they are actually feeling the bhakti inside them. And because this is so well organized, it is making their life easy here in Kumbh Mela.
Yeah, true, very nice. Like even you can experience if you just go inside, you can see the prasadam is been distributed so nicely. Like everything, like prasadam, the kada, everything has been given. You know, even the books like the Bhagavad Gita, actual cost is more than 300 rupees. But at the Kumbh Mela, we are giving all the 4 books just for 50 rupees. So that people come to know about the Sanatan Dharma, they can read it, they can understand it. We are just promoting people to understand our Dharma, Sanatan Dharma, and get their life successful.
Thank you so much, Maharaji. Thank you so much, Maharaji. Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you for speaking with us. So here we had a Maharaji from ISKCON temple and he told us about ISKCON, the Sanatan Dharma and the Bhavya Pandal organized here by Adani Group and how people are taking the divine bliss and what kind of experience people are having here and how beautifully the entire Kumbh Mela has been organized by our UP government. So right now we are present here in the Mahapandal of ISKCON temple where the Mahaprasad has been arranged by the Adani Group, and we can see how beautifully this Mahaprasad has been organized and how beautifully the people are forming queue here and how peacefully they are having their Mahaprasad here at ISKCON Pandal, Prayagraj, Mahakumbh area. Thank you so much. Please be in touch with us and we'll cover more and we'll let you know about more experiences, and we will be talking to more gurus, more sadhus, sants and Maharaj.